So a real quick update on this CoCoTools extension. I've made it so that it will automatically create subroutines or let you select blocks of code and move them to a location you want. The version of this is 008. So you should see 008 when you install it. It should update it automatically if you already have it. So just real quick, the renumber function works just like it did before. It'll renumber your basic code, but it lets you select blocks of code, and if more than one line is selected, it gives you this box to tell it where you would like to move it. We'll move those two to line 1000. You see it gives us a go sub line to 1000 where those were, and moves those two lines to 1000 along with a return and a little header that tells the extension what lines those are, so it ignores them the next time you renumber and doesn't change the number. If you get rid of that, it will renumber them just with all the other lines. This is just a little piece of a game that I used last time I showed this. It just draws some water, draws a plane, draws a cloud, and moves the plane and cloud. And you can see each piece of it: the water, the cloud, the plane, and then it moves the cloud, moves the plane. So we're going to create subroutines for each of those. We just did this one, but we'll do it again. Move it to 1000. Tell it what that is. That is draw water. We'll draw the cloud at 2000. Draw the plane at 3000. And we will add this to put this at 500. So now the whole program is just subroutines, and it stops on line 70. And if we run it, it should behave exactly the way it did before. Except that now, if you see it draws the cloud before it moves the plane, and it messes up the cloud. So if you wanted to draw the plane first, now you can just move it up a line, renumber. So now it should move the plane before it moves the cloud and not mess the cloud up. It gives you an easier way to play around with your subroutines like that. If you wanted to draw the water last, or if you just didn't want to move the cloud or the water or draw the water. So if you want to, if that's something you want to play around with, get the 008 version of this and give it a try.